What, the refrigerator? Huh? The cookies? Huh? What are you asking for? Good morning, YouTube. So, if you watched the last video, you'd know that I went to go pick up my load and I parked in my dock and I sat there for about 3.5 hours, took like a 30-minute nap, woke up, and everybody was gone. So I don't know what happened. So they must have forgot about me in that dock. I even got video proof of them assigning me a dock and everything, which I showed on the last video. But they're like, yeah, go dock 29. I said, all right, cool. So I parked there, a couple of hours. Y'all know the truck wouldn't start. I got to get some batteries this weekend. And then I wake up and everybody's gone. I'm left there by myself. So we're about to go back over there and try to pick that load up. I contacted the agent and everything. And so she was like, yeah, just go back over there and try to pick it up today. So that's what we're going to go do. They did pay me layover. They paid me $300 for layover. And then the agent that I had a load picked up for today, my usual Port Allen to Laredo, she's got another one for me that can pick up tomorrow. So it worked out. I am going to take a pretty big hit on revenue, but it is what it is. Got to get an extra night in at home. So anyway, let's go pick this load up. Let's hope the truck starts up, and I will catch you guys after the intro.
You can head back to 29 and he'll get you loaded up.
Cool. Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right. Attempt number 2. So they got a little attitude in there. When I had pulled up, when I first walked up there and gave her the paperwork, she had asked one of her colleagues. She was kind of very like general about it, but she was like, is this the one? Like, is this the one what? The one y'all didn't load last night? And went home and left me in the dock? But the agent must have called them and got on their behinds. Yep, there's the dock, it's open. So we're back in dock 29 like we were yesterday. But it is 11:30 right now. We'll probably get loaded, be out of here by 12:30, 1 o'clock. I'll probably go home and leave out sometime around 5 or 6 o'clock. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take the truck home and get her washed. Oh, no. I'll go to Blue Beacon. It's okay. Because the reason I don't want to go to Blue Beacon, because if y'all watched yesterday's video, I'm still having battery problems, even though I changed the alternator. So I do have to replace the batteries, which I'm going to do that this weekend when I have some time. I got to take off that whole side skirt to get to them, the steps and everything, so it is going to take some time. Or I can just, the mechanic at my yard, I can just give him $100 and he'll do it. I don't know. Actually, no, I can't do it this weekend. We got an event this weekend to do. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go buy the batteries. Let's see, when can I buy them? I should be back home at a decent time tomorrow. You know what, I'll probably go buy them today. Screw it. Go buy the batteries today. And maybe see if I have time to do it today. I doubt it. Actually, I might just see if he's free to do it. Go buy the batteries and see if we can throw them on here real quick. Just give him $100. Same dock as last time. Hope y'all don't leave me hanging this time. Ah. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm here. The same dock from yesterday. Probably 10-15 minutes ago. They already got me checked in at a dock. Oh, you can, like, yeah. Cool, okay. You must have got on their behinds. They have a little attitude. Right, right. Oh, okay. So what happened? Did they just forget, or was the product not ready yet? Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Ooh wee. She she got on their behinds. So they got chewed out. So she confirmed with me that they went home and they forgot about me last night. That's what happened. They went home to their families, you know, whatever. And they totally forgot about me sitting here in the dock. And so somebody somewhere got chewed out. So they are paying me layover. And I might get detention too. But yeah, so somebody got chewed out, somebody got in trouble. I don't know if somebody got fired too, but they're not too happy about it because the consequences on them. So I don't know who it was, if it was one person or the whole staff, but they left me sitting in a dock all last night. But I mean, I did miss out on some money. I missed out on actually probably quite a bit of money. But I'm not gonna lie, the humor kind of overrides this. Like this is a first. Like even when I had called them this morning to let them know what happened, they thought I was about to say I missed my appointment. Because at first when I called the agent, I said, hey, I went to go pick up the load and I didn't get it picked up and blah, blah, blah. And I mentioned, you know, getting here. So they were under the assumption that I got here late and I missed my appointment or something. And I was like, no. And so she said something like, oh, so you want me to see if I can reschedule it today? And the tone of her voice didn't really change, you know. And I said, no. I said, I got here, I got in the dock, they assigned me a dock. She said, wait a minute, she said, you didn't get loaded even after they signed you a dock? I said, yes, yeah, correct. She's like, they forgot about you and went home? I said, yes. And she's like, okay, hold on, this is some BS. And she started cussing. She's like, oh no, she said, I haul for this customer all the time. She said, you've always helped us out with these loads. It's like your third or fourth time doing these, you know. She's like, no. She said, let me call you back. I was like, oh, yes ma'am, do what you gotta do. And so she got on somebody. she got on somebody. And so that's when I just asked her, I was like, you got on somebody? She's like, oh yeah. She said, yeah, it got to the higher ups over here. I was like, oh dang, yikes. So was the product not ready? She's like, yeah, the product was ready. You know, it's just they forgot about you. They went home and forgot to load your truck. Wow. All right, cool. So anyway, we've been sitting here for a couple of seconds. They haven't started loading me yet. Like, you would think that they would be throwing a product. Now, I guess the product is still staged right here at the dock. So they told me to go right back to the same dock. And the door's open and waiting on me. So, but yeah, so we're gonna load it here. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. If I'm gonna go home and clean the truck, go buy some batteries and try to throw them on today. I don't know yet, but we'll hang out here for a few minutes and see what happens. All right, we got our seal, got our placards, got our paperwork. I do know that I have to strap these down. Hoo-wee. It is a nice day today too. So yeah, we got plenty of time to go back home and chill out. All right, we are strapped down to the, all right, everything looks good in here. Always make sure it's shrink wrapped to the pallet on your hazmat loads. One up here at the top. And then you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think about the commercial ad I did with 10-4 insurance, because they reached out to me and they were like, hey, it turned out great. It's got almost 20,000 views. You know, excellent job. You know, do you want to do another one? I'm like, okay. Hey. Actually, I need to get some edge protectors from them. That's what I need. I have some, where is it at? Where are my edge protectors at? I don't know where they are. They might be on the FLD. So we're dropping this load off in Slidell, Louisiana. We'll park there on site tonight. And then what? We're picking up our usual Port Allen going down to Laredo. So I will attempt to go check up on the FLD. Attempt, I can't make any promises. Ugh. All right, that's Snug is hugging it. Okay. That looks good. Actually, were there any single pallets? No, everything's doubled all the way. Because any single pallets, I gotta strap it down. All right. I always forget the seal. Always forget the seal. All right. Let me go ahead and do some paperwork, make sure my hazmat paperwork checks out. And we will be on our way. So guys, I will see you guys over at the yard. All right, we are just now leaving Express Truck Parts and Chrome. Pull the old batteries off. And so use those as my core. Now I'm about to go throw these new ones on there. He definitely looked out for me because I forgot my wallet in the truck. I pulled those out of there, threw them in here, jumped in this thing, and as soon as I got to like 2 minutes away from here, I was like, man, I forgot my wallet. So I'm like, hey, Ali, like, come on, like, He's like, no, just Zell me, I'll take care of it. I was like, oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. So I went ahead and Zelled him the money. So I'm about to shoot back over here to the yard, throw these batteries on. So this truck requires 4. If y'all remember when I pulled off the batteries off the FLD, it was only 3 batteries, and a lot easier to access. In that Pro Star, I have to take off the top step and push down on that plastic part, that plastic fairing, and pull those batteries out of there. It was a pain in the butt, definitely a lot easier on the FLD. So anyway, I'm gonna go throw these on there real quick. Might go home, I don't know yet. I don't think I have to run any errands before I hit the road. Might go home, I don't know, but I'm gonna throw these batteries on there and we will see what we get into next. All right, so here we go. Batteries. So you see I have to take this whole thing apart here, and then I have to squeeze the batteries, kind of put them in there like that. But y'all forgive my messy pickup truck full of parts. Yeah, $95 a piece. Can't beat that. Come on. Get here all that acid, all that juice. All right, so let me get my toolbox out. We're gonna put these in here. And the wife just called, and we had a repairman come by to diagnose our stove. And he said just buy a new stove. It's probably the control panel. So I'm gonna go meet the family at Best Buy so we can go buy us a stove today. What's that, boy?
Resistant finish, fingerprint resistant.
Fingerprint? Oh, I don't know.
Hydrate your favorite jerky and keep meals warm in the oven with precision. The dehydrator. I'm still learning the features myself, though. I think this one was like a 6 cubic feet. But one thing that I love, I'm not gonna show the kids, you have to like squeeze it. I can't do it with my left hand. You have to like squeeze it and push and turn. Squeeze, push, turn.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's like all three.
So you can't just...
Nuh-uh. And even if you like squeeze, even if you squeeze it, it still won't let you. You have to do it literally all three. I love that. And then obviously the matte black. That's just how we are. But I love that it has the air fry and the dehydrator. Yes, sir. Compared to the other one, I just like that it has the air fry and the dehydrator. Specifically. Oh, and the bread proof.
And what's the bread proof for?
So like whenever like I make the bread from scratch, and I like when I make my rolls and stuff, you have to like let it proof. You have to let it like rise, and so it'll create enough heat in the oven to.
Gotcha. I think she said it has Wi-Fi. No, that was it.
I mean, maybe, I don't know, but. I know you're hungry, buddy. I'm so sorry.
Very fast oven, even extra large oven, also large, the larger of the two. It's the larger. Oh yeah, it's got Wi-Fi on it.
Oh, it does? Nice.
All right, it's all put back together. Well, except that piece. New batteries. The crank's right on up now. Tools are put away. So now I gotta go park the Ram back in the spot over there. And we are about to hit the road. So we ordered the stove. We're gonna have them deliver it on Monday. right before Thanksgiving. That way my wife can do what she needs to do with her, you know, cooking or whatever. But $1,100, y'all, for a freaking stove. Well, it came out to $1,100 because we renewed our Best Buy membership. That was $200. But yeah, 11 collectively. Well, I think by itself it would have been like $1,000, right at $1,000. But with the Best Buy membership, almost $1,200 pretty much. $1,200 freaking dollars for an oven. But she got the one she wanted, so I cannot complain about that. She's happy about it. So $1,100. That is one load. Actually, this load that we picked up today pays $1,100 gross before expenses. But this one load gross before fuel, insurance, and all that stuff. The price of this stuff is just totally ridiculous. And then on top of that, like the repairman that came by the house earlier to check out ours and tell us it was a control panel that's messing up. You know, he said they only make these things to last, which we know this. They only last like, you know, 2 to 3 years max. Am I in the right spot? Yeah. 2 to 3 years max, you know. Then after that, you know, you're buying a new stove, washer, dryer, whatever it is. Anyway, so I got my keys. Yeah, so we got drive out here. Should be a quick, easy drive, 5 hours. I do not feel like driving. She needs a wash too. Oh, I need to get the truck washed too. We might go by Blue Beacon tonight. I'm gonna see how much time I have to get down there. We might go by Blue Beacon to get that animal crap off. But anyway, y'all, it's chilly out here. I guess not that chilly. So house is taken care of, truck is taken care of. Now it's time to get back on this road and make some money. So let's roll.
like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time. Locked in when it's game time. Shoot from deep like a Curry 3, and I go beast like 23. find my peace. Been ballin' a little bit, woke up feeling rich. Still remember days I had to grind to get a cent. Still remember days when I spent a penny pinch. Now this bank account is lit and it's up and it's stuck, just like Cardi said. Same faces around me and it's hardly friends. Saying how you do it, but you hardly did. Fibbing on the ground, yeah, you probably is. Ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time. Locked in when it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Pull up from the logo like it's Dame time. Same zone, so won't catch me on the same time. Time is money, so I cannot give away time. On the road still, on the go still. Humble, so I keep it on the low still. Say they know what's up, but they don't really know still. See the glow up and I can't believe the glow still. Me plus me, that's a whole lot of money. Wake up in the morning, I can smell the bag coming. 3 whole years and these records keep running. Don't talk to me if you can't match the numbers. Ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time. Locked in when it's game time.
All right, people, we are 2.9 miles away. Obviously, I decided not to get the truck washed because we have a 1:15 a.m. ETA after a 10-hour break. I'll get my hours back at 11:15 tomorrow morning, but I have a 12:30 a.m. pickup appointment tomorrow. I probably will be a little late for that.
Use the right lane to take exit 83 onto US 11 toward Pearl River.
I'm always picking up from there. They know me in there, so I'll be all right. But I didn't realize that I did stop to get fuel, and so that's what really delayed me.
Take the exit, then take the first left onto US 11.
All right, we're gonna turn that down. I know where I'm going. We've been here plenty of times. It's nice and chilly out. Like the perfect kind of chilly. Let's get in this lane. The perfect kind of chilly to where I'm gonna sleep good. I won't get to sleep as long as I want to. I did leave out about 2 hours later than what I wanted to, but I had to make sure I got the stove and stuff. I want to make sure she got the one that she wanted. Not stove, but oven, whatever. Yeah, I didn't want her taking the kids to the store by herself. With her trying to pick out the oven and listen to the salesperson and not being distracted with the kids running around, and so I wanted to be there to supervise that. That way I can keep them occupied while she picked whatever she want. Got the, because I mean, when you're paying that much money for a stove or a oven, I keep saying stove, oven, stove, whatever, you want to make sure you get the right one. So, but yeah, between that and changing out the batteries, I ended up leaving out about 2 hours later than what I wanted to. But we got it done. But yeah, comment down below any else of y'all the Best Buy members, that Geek Squad membership, that annual membership thingy. We've had that for a long time. So we always buy our appliances and stuff because we're members with the Best Buy deal. We get all kinds of perks. We used to get free delivery. They took that away, so it's no longer free delivery. I do think we get free installation, and I don't know. I think they now charge like a disposal fee for like your old appliance. I think with our old one, what we're gonna do is, instead of either paying them to haul it off or for them to haul it off, because all they're gonna do is probably fix it or sell it to one of these little shops or something that can fix it. Usually stuff like that, we just give it away. Anybody that knows how to fix it, repair it, you know. I probably post it up on Marketplace and, hey, free oven, come get it. Needs a control board. All right, and then guys, also we're thinking about, we have Verizon currently for our cell phone service. Like, who has AT&T? We're thinking about switching over to AT&T. There was a salesperson there for AT&T. Trying to get us to switch over, but I don't know what the coverage is like as a truck driver going to these, you know, these little bitty places. So comparing Verizon to AT&T, what do you guys think? Should we switch over, or is it trash? We've never had AT&T before with our cell phones. We've had Sprint and T-Mobile before. We've had Verizon, and for the most part, they're okay. Actually, no, it's the next one. It's like a little bitty driveway up here. There's like a little house to the left, like a little guard shack thingy. Is this it right here? Oh, it's a funeral home right there. Yep, here it is. Let's turn wide. You turn wide enough? There's a little guard shack I was talking about. Yeah. But yeah, between the repairs, so we spent $750 on a differential repair. We spent for the alternator and everything all together. I did get a different alternator. Not the one I wanted, but I wasn't paying on $900 for the alternator. I think all together for the alternator was like $5 something for the alternator. So $750 plus $500, that's $1250. Plus the batteries today, that was another $400. Why are there cars back here this late at nights? 1:15 in the morning. And all these places are closed. Interesting. But anyway, $750 plus $500, that's $1250 plus $4. See, in the past, week? Oh, I do have to turn wide here. I do remember that. Why is there another car back here? What in the world y'all been doing? But yeah, what's that? What, $1,650, $1,650 we've spent just on the truck. And I do know I have to blindside in this place somewhat. So yeah, at the end of the year, of course the truck, the repairs that we've done to this truck, they're repairs, well, except the alternator, but the batteries and the silicone for the differential, that stuff is expected to start acting weird come wintertime with the season change. So it is what it is with that. All right, let's see. The place is right here to our right. But yeah, between that and $1,100 for an oven, what's that? $2,800. Just, I'll probably have my wife do an oven review so we can write it off on our taxes. Do an oven review on the YouTube channel. because that can be a write-off. If we do a video and do like a review of it, hi, I bought this oven, I like this about it, blah blah blah, such and such, this is how you work it, tax write-off. Perks of being a YouTuber. Okay, I do remember this ditch to my left. Okay, where's my trailer? I can't see crap back there. But I think we're okay. Actually, let's move our mirror. How about that? Oh, is my mirror not? Come on, mirror. Come on. Come on, mirror. Okay, up, down. Come on. Come on, don't act up. Come on. Why do you always want to act up when I want to turn you to the side? I mean, when I'm backing up blindsided somewhere. Any other time of the day. This one working? Yeah, this one's working fine. Wait, nope. You don't want to go to the right? Come on. Oh, now you don't want to act. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, now right mirror, come on now. I should get out and look, but I think I'm okay. You know what? I was being lazy, we're gonna do this the right way. All right. I'm gonna look in my mirror and see if there's any points. Okay, there's a light pole right there. So as soon as I clear that light pole, I should be okay. So I'm gonna pull way up here. That way I can baby the trailer to my right little by little without having to cut it hard. I'm just gonna slightly turn my wheel and it's gonna walk itself over there. Meanwhile, I'm keeping the truck straight, but the trailer itself is just moving. But the truck is staying straight. And it's, okay, I see the light pole. Okay, I can see a lot better now. Okay, I think we're good like that. She's gonna keep walking back. And as soon as I have enough room to clear, on my driver's side here, I'm gonna start turning the wheel so I don't have my steers in this ditch. I just can't see my blind side back there to see what's back there. But the only reason I'm not getting out and looking is because I have been here plenty of times. I know there's nothing really over there. Okay, now where's the freaking dock? Oh, there's the dock. I completely missed it. Okay, the dock's over there, so I need to get my trailer closer to my left. Close, more on my blind side, less on my... Oh, my lights blinking back there? They sure are. I wonder if it's my electrical cord that's acting out or it's the trailer itself. I need to go back there and check that out. They weren't doing it on the way here. Okay, now I see the docks. I didn't have to cut it as hard as I thought. I can see clearly now. The glare is gone. And I can see a placard peeling off back there. Okay, we are in there now. There we go. I think usually they have me go to the middle dock, so I'm gonna aim for the middle dock. Okay, my clearance lights are back on that trailer. Oh yeah, we're aligned perfectly with the dock now. It's just weird, at a weird angle. All right, let's get closer in, that way I can kind of clear this driveway up a little bit. Usually they don't trip about the seal. Just kind of do whatever with the seal. So I could break the seal and just back up to the dock, but I want to be safe, so I'll just wait till the morning. And I'm not going to take this placards off until the product is off the truck, or at least coming off the truck, just in case something happens between now and the time they offload me. Okay, I'm right there next to it. Cool. chilly. Yeah, we're in there. Look at that. Perfect. That's what I like to see. Okay, now it's getting cold now. Yeah, this is the first place we came, guys, and I had to first put the lights on the truck. It's the first place we came. Clock is trying to come off. I even taped it up and everything. That one's been stubborn. When I got fuel, every 200 miles or 3 hours, whichever comes first, you're supposed to check your hazmat load. So I checked it when I got some fuel. Stubborn thing tried to come off. So I taped it up, and it's still trying to come off. But we made it. We're safe. I can still smell the funk from whatever I ran over the other day. So I am definitely getting it washed tomorrow. But for right now, I got some editing to do. And they'll probably come knocking on my door like 6:30, 7 o'clock or so. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I'm out of it. Thankfully, YouTuber Frank Nitty called me. He was asking me some questions about some stuff. And he's able to keep me awake for a majority of the ride here. So super thankful for that. And that was one entertaining dude. So y'all go check out Frank Nitty's Life with Frank Nitty's his YouTube channel. Really entertaining dude. But lock the doors. Some craziness going on out there, just in case. But yeah, guys. So successful day. Did get here a lot later than what I wanted to. I wanted to get here at 10 o'clock. So we got here about 3.5 later than what I wanted to. I wanted to get here at 10. That way I get my hours back by 8. Actually, probably could have went out and went shopping for the oven tomorrow. But I wanted to make sure she got it in next week before Thanksgiving. That way, you know, she's good. But I wanted to get here at 10. That way I can at least get a good 8 hours of sleep. That's not going to happen now. So, but like I said, they're situated. They're good. I can get sleep in it, you know, whatever. But guys, thank y'all for watching. My name is Shymon Spencer, and you just tuned into another episode of Grinding Gears. I will catch you guys at noon 01 Central Standard Time tomorrow.